Welcome to J&J's test video of SBLE424. This is a Lexus GX460 2011 local here. It's all rusted out. The transmission's bad. It does go forward and it does run well. It also only has 98,000 miles on it. Let's get it to light up here. 98,828. But as you can see, I gotta get the shifter. Reverse. The shifter and everything's all messed up. Like, okay, there's neutral, but that's where the shifter is. So it starts in gear because the shifter, yeah, it's interesting. All right, let me get it back into. That's forward. I think everything's forward. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there is no park. Some of these things have the weirdest things. So, see if I can find neutral. There's neutral. Woo! That's always a fun thing. Alright, so it's, yeah, all crazy. Let you listen to the motor real quick. Let me take the battery box off and we'll go drive it around. Alternator's charging. Eric, you close this door. Winter time is here. Woo. Brakes are stuck on. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, parking brake's on. That's probably why. Where is the parking brake? I don't know. Let's test the sunroof. I won't worry about the parking brake. Navigation works. CD player works. All right. It's like a Christmas music. Heated seat works. My butt's hot. There's a CD. And yeah, drive it around. Transmission's bad, but the transfer case I think works. Let's see if I can get it into low. Probably. I don't think it's gonna let me. We'll have to check and see. All right, I'm gonna put it in. Oh, I can't park it, so maybe I can swing it around, and then Mike Barrow will put it back. All right, that's that. I'm gonna turn it off in park or in gear, and now it's not in anything. This shifter is all messed up. Still rolling. Woo. All right, we're gonna end that there. SBLE424, 98,000 miles. Really, really rusty underneath. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. Oh my Lord, look at that thing. Yep, that's why you oil film and fluid film your truck. As always, have your pets spayed and neutered.